President Duterte is willing to step down if Attorney Ely Pamatong can stop the spread of COVID-19.
Sabi niya siya lang ang he will solve the problem in 3 weeks. Sabi niya, ang military kailangan arestuhin because nandito ako ready to solve the pandemic that has struck the entire planet Earth, and he will solve the problem. Tama. Kung gano'n na siya, tama. I agree.
Who is Ely Pamatong?
My countrymen, this is Ely Pamatong, the jury president of the Republic of the Philippines.
Duterte has invited him to Malacanang to discuss the health crisis.
Kung magpunta siya dito, mag-usap kami. Kung ang solusyon niya okay, then sabihin mo sa military na, Padre, tama si Amatong. Alis na ako.
In a Facebook post dated April 4, Pamatong shared this unconfirmed report about the president.
I heard from unconfirmed report that Rodrigo Duterte had some kind of an attack, maybe heart attack, I don't know, coronavirus attack. But that is not confirmed. But my feeling is because of how he looks, because of his countenance, he could either be dying or dead.
Pamatong believes he is Duterte's successor.
But should he die, I would like to tell you, especially the military and the members of the USAPET, that I will take over as the incumbent, the full-fledged president of the Philippines. I will immediately proceed to Malacanang, and I'm asking the armed forces to protect me and follow me as their commander-in-chief.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.